Welcome to today's guide on improving air quality in your home. Clean air is essential for your health and well-being. By following these steps, you can create a healthier and more comfortable living environment.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Step 1. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial to maintaining good indoor air quality. Open windows regularly to let in fresh air and use exhaust fans in the kitchen and bathrooms to remove indoor pollutants. Step 2. Use air purifiers. Consider investing in an air purifier with a HEPA filter. These devices can effectively remove dust, allergens, and other particles from the air, improving air quality. Step 3. Eliminate tobacco smoke. If you or someone in your home smokes, it's vital to quit or designate a smoking area outside the house. Smoking indoors can significantly decrease air quality. Step 4. Maintain a clean environment. Regular cleaning can help reduce allergens and pollutants in your home. Vacuum carpets and rugs frequently, and use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter. Dust surfaces, and wash bedding and curtains regularly. Step 5. Control humidity. Maintain proper humidity levels in your home. Using a dehumidifier can help prevent mold growth, while a humidifier can add moisture to dry air in the winter. Step 6. Avoid harsh chemicals. Choose non-toxic cleaning products and paints to avoid releasing harmful chemicals into the air. Read labels and look for products that are low in volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Step 7. Keep indoor plants. Certain houseplants, like snake plants, spider plants, and peace lilies, can help improve air quality by absorbing pollutants. Be sure to care for your plants properly. Step 8. Reduce allergens. Use allergen-proof covers on pillows and mattresses to reduce exposure to dust mites. Wash pet bedding and groom pets regularly to minimize allergens from fur. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the air quality in your home. Remember that clean air is essential for your health and well-being. Creating a healthy indoor environment is within your reach, and your family will thank you for it.